Hey, so a couple of you guys were asking about options and what you guys should play as far as in the money or out the money. Um, if you guys are playing something like a Walmart or something that doesn't move as much, definitely in the money is the way to go for options. Um, but usually out of the money calls or puts, they usually expire worthless, right? So if you're buying out of the money puts or calls for 5-10% out, 90% of the time they're going to expire worthless. That's why I try to stick with in the money puts, and I try to stick to maybe 10, 20 at most, a 50% gain. So when I usually call things out with my algo, it's for lotto tickets. And lotto tickets, as some of you guys may know and my followers know, lotto tickets are out of the money calls that have a very low chance of hitting, but you make the most money out of those, obviously for obvious reasons, right? But just kind of a quick explanation of what you guys should actually be purchasing. I personally think that you should always be purchasing in the money calls or puts, just because you have more chance of making money as opposed to out of the money, because 90%, if not more, of options expire worthless.